Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 E400 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo pushing out 329 horsepower and 354 pounds of torque. This one is the luxury line, so it's going to give you the luxury interior and exterior look. The Mercedes emblem on the hood, adaptive high beam assist, front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. An espresso brown ginger beige MB-Tex interior with a light wood trim, sunroof, E400 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, ambient lighting, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera with sensors, navigation, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This E400 has 24,607 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E400 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.